Hello, I'm Pere, CEO and co-founder of Nemuru. Nemuru is here to unlock business opportunities at the point of sale, doing that by on a consumer lending approach. Okay, when we started, we see still a lot of frictions or underserved market in the point of sale, where basically a lot have been invested into fintechs addressing the e-commerce space in the consumer lending at point of sale, but less than 20% of purchases are in fact made online. And fraud is a big issue in this online world. Still, more than 80% of these transactions, and when you go to the space of high ticket, happens purely offline or on the phone or in other channels. And there, the servicing is mainly done, at least in the Spanish market, by banks, with, of course, legacy systems and with an approach very focused on generating portfolios on the auto or car vertical. Okay. So what is the friction we find here? So basically, these merchants might have different solutions. One, they get to the branch next door of his bank and offer a consumer loan through there to the customer. Another, they do have one solution from their bank provider, where basically he will receive an answer with 24, 48 hours, and he will need to collect all the data and documentation from their customers, bringing them a lot of work, let's say, and following and breaking the funnel from their sales funnel. So with our solution, they basically just send this invitation to the final customer for financing the service or product, and in 3 minutes everything will happen and will be connected to multiple financing options so that they can close the sale directly on time. So our platform is to be convenient, universal, and simple, but with this focus in the offline space, we do high ticket. We do up to 20K right now per operation. We focus on being able to finance services that last in time, not just products. We do that by splitting the final payment to the merchant by a digital certification scheme between the merchant and the borrower. And we are this combination of technology and intermediation, so that basically we connect to multiple lenders so that we can have and maximize approvals in the point of sale. We started in the home improvement segment as our paradigm in Spain with this size, with the 18 billion opportunity, but we're already moving into vertical expansion with some partnerships also in the education space, in the travel space, and also in the car space. Our business model relates to what we are. It's basically combining technology and credit intermediation. So from this intermediation, we receive a fee from the lender in terms of a part of fixed fee, but also a bonus related to the real performance of the portfolio we generate through our point of sale. We also are testing how much we can earn or we can charge this merchant for using Nemuru, or basically 40% of them right now are using a 0% program, which basically means they are paying for offering incentivized installment plans to the customers. And of course, as the process is without documentation, but we do capture a lot of data from the customers, we do have the possibility to directly monetize by cross-selling insurances, for example, or directly monetize that data and our APIs. We started in 2018 in the summer. We brought Nemuru to the market at the beginning of 19, so it's been 1 year. We managed more than 5 million in this year. And basically our average ticket right now, it's somewhat below 6,000 euros. But recurrence and in the usage of the platform in our customers really increased a lot in the last month. Okay, this is our roadmap. We raised 2 million for building the solution and putting it in the market. And we already partnered with a couple of top of the Spanish financial institutions for funding the operation. So our technology directly generates the loan into their balance sheet. Okay, and this gives us space to really scale in this type of big, or let's say high ticket operations in the consumer space. As I said, we basically started in the home improvement segment. We already started our vertical expansion, and for us, this is the main point, the main starting point, so that we can become in the future more omni-channel, in the sense of moving also from this offline to a better solution also in the phone sales process, but also online. Okay, and from there going international. the team, it's myself, Natalia Piccinin, and Enrique Gilbert. We all previously worked for consulting or banking industry, and we're happy to answer any questions you might have.